Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. This is a cordless cardboard cutter. So we're gonna look at this and I'll try it out. So open it up for you here. So you can see it comes with the charger right here. So this is gonna be the charger. It's gonna charge through the little barrel connectors. And then here is the device here. And what is it on this side here? On the other side, it's just the instructions. Yeah, nothing else but the instructions. So I'll leave those there. So I'll show you guys what the device looks like here. So this is it. So like me, I open up a lot of boxes and stuff, and so I need to cut things often. So let's see how this will go. So it comes, I guess, charged already, and you push this little button over, and you can squeeze the one there, and that's how it goes. So let's just try to cut some cardboard. I have some cardboard, a box that I have. See how it works. So you basically will just put it in there and push it through. It seemed to go pretty good. So you can actually do like designs and stuff on it. So you could probably go and make a circle. Ha 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 ha. I am not the best circle maker in the world, but you get the idea. So, oops, there it is. So I made a circle. Ha ha ha. But there you go. So I rounded it off. Boy, I really stink at making circles. But this works really good. It cuts it good. Probably even thick cardboard, I'm gonna guess it's gonna work on, because look at that blade. It's just gonna it's sharp, and it's just gonna slice right through it, and it pulls it through as it's going. So you really don't even have to push very hard. So it'll just kind of just goes through. Oop. Yeah, it kind of pulls itself through as it goes. So it's really cool. So I like this, and VLOXO. So super cool. Thumbs up for me.